Hi guys, welcome to another video of Creo Parametric. So you might have many different shortcut on your desktop. So you have to look for Creo Parametric with some version, and when you double click on it, it will open. I have a student version. You can just go to PTC and download a student version for free. So this is the basic interface of Creo Parametric. So you have to click on new, and if you want to make a solid, then click on part. Here you have used default template. In default template you will work in inches, basically in American like miles and inches. And if you want to work in millimeter newton, then just millimeter newton second part solid. Now your whatever unit you will be in millimeters. So this is now you are ready to make something. So basically you have plane, right, top and front. Okay, so let's make something on top. So you click on top and then click sketch and click on sketch view. So now you are directly looking at top surface. Select anything to make something like this, and you can make anything using this option. Every basic shape has few different ways to make, like corner rectangle. It will start from a corner, then you have slanted rectangle. So you have to make a line and the triangle will be make, and then center, it will be made from center, and then parallelogram. So basically you can make it an angled rectangle. Then you have circle. Simply click somewhere and it will start making circle. Then you have concentric circle. So basically you select center of circle and it will keep on making circle as long as you keep on clicking. So using this is the basics of sketch. So just click on it and you will back on. And to zoom in, you click zoom in, and zoom out you use the middle mouse wheel. And uh, to make ellipse, just click on ellipse and it will make a ellipse. Then if you click randomly, it will make a line, spline. And to delete something, you can use delete segment like this. And you have constraint. So basically if you want a line to remain vertical, just go to a vertical constraint and click on the line. Let's say this. So now you can see it has a vertical constraint. They already have vertical constraint. So this is the basics of a sketch. You can use center line, and we have reference. Not now. And dimension to measure something. Let's say I want the distance between these two lines, so I will click on those two lines and click middle mouse button, and it will show me the whatever distance between them is, and you can change it from here. So this is basic sketch. Now, and then you click OK, and if that's it for like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.